Some crazy things are happening in the crypto market as we have seen unfold over the last week, the last couple of days. Cryptos have been crashing. Bitcoin has been dropping, crashing at 28,000. We are seeing a huge correction, a whole bunch of news and FUD is coming out. We have the European Parliament that they've actually passed crypto regulation. We also have potential greater correction or crash in front of us very, very soon. And in this video, I'm going to be telling you everything you need to hear about crypto trading, crypto investing. So make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up, subscribe with notifications on, and stick around to the very end to find out what I have in store for you today. So the first thing that we need to take a look at is we need to go to the Bitcoin chart. It's going to be the simplest, easiest thing. I'm going to tell you guys exactly what is happening and what is going on. So first and foremost, Bitcoin has corrected, something that I traded. I shorted the market and I made a killing. I'm making a killing today. My community is making tons of profits every single day. I'll get into that later. But what we can see is that Bitcoin had ran into massive resistance. This is a huge resistance area. And I was very confident that Bitcoin was actually going to get rejected. I did not think Bitcoin was going to go to 30,000. I thought it was going to get possibly rejected at 25,000, but we ended up breaking above. This was because Binance, they were converting so many stable coins into Bitcoin, and that's what caused cryptos to pump up. So cryptos were artificially manipulated up. It was not full real demand. And essentially what that causes is an inefficiency in the market. And there was no dips, there was no pullbacks. We basically went from 19,000 to 31,000 without any single dips, pullbacks, or corrections, which is unhealthy. And when you do huge pumps and make huge movements without corrections, there's going to be a huge crash or corrections to come with that as well. So what we are seeing was a pretty severe correction with Bitcoin. And right now we are trading under this major key level, which was around 28,700. This was a previous resistance. Now we're trading under it. So this is a huge resistance level. The next level of support that we really are looking at is going to be around the $27,000 level. So that's our next major key support that we're looking at. But if we zoom in, it looks like Bitcoin is probably going to end up getting some type of bounce as it's starting to happen right now. I think we can get a bounce up to resistance. We'll have to see what happens at resistance. If we break above and hold, we're going to see further prices and we're going to keep pumping. But if we get rejected or if we break above and then break back down, we're likely to continue crashing. So that's the level that we need to pay attention to. And honestly, if we zoom out, since we are heading into May, which is a risk-off environment, stocks are going to be going down, cryptos are going to be going down, because a risk-off environment is we have the first week of May, we have the Fed minutes, we have so many different things. They're going to be raising interest rates, and that's going to be bearish for cryptos and stocks. And May is usually a time when cryptos, stocks, and everything kind of crash and correct for the summer months. So I'm expecting that we have started right now a downtrend. So yes, we can keep pumping, do something like this, but I think we're going to ultimately be heading down, and possibly, because we've been pumping for about 5 months now, I think we could be actually entering into a downtrend for 4 to 5 months, maybe something like that. We'll have to see, but that's not something we can pick right now. That's not something that we can see right now. We will have to see how Bitcoin and how the market responds to this drop. We will have to see if we start forming a downtrend, which is lower highs and lower lows. So as of right now, after such a huge crash and correction, I am expecting for cryptos as well, altcoins, Ethereum, all of our favorite cryptos, I'm expecting some type of bounce. But Bitcoin has barely even moved. Look, Bitcoin from all of this crash has barely even bounced at all and is just sitting here. And that is not very bullish at all. We probably will get a bounce though, but the way things are looking, you know, when it's bullish and when things are bullish, you will see big bounces quickly. That's not happening as of yet, and that can change very quickly. One of the other things, if you want to understand if cryptos are going to be going up or down, is you want to take a look at the DXY, which is the US dollar index. It has recovered and it's beginning to recover again. We also have the stock market, the S&P 500, starting to form a downtrend, lower lows and lower highs here. So that is giving me an additional confluent signal that cryptos are likely to be heading down. Make sure you guys join my free trading community. It's down in the link below. We're making profits every single day, but if you want to get access to my trade alerts where look, this person made 168%, 13%, 94%. People are making 114%. This is just literally in the past couple of hours. If you guys want to be making insane profits, I give signals for cryptocurrencies, short and long signals, over on the Patreon. Join the free trading group. The link for that will be in my video description. But guys, you really need to try my ALGOSNIPER trading indicator. This thing is absolutely crazy. Go to ALGOSNIPER.com, get your free trial. But let me show you this. This thing, look, this is Ethereum here. Before Ethereum crashed 10%, we got a sell alert before the crash even happened. Before Ethereum pumped all the way up, look, we got a huge buy alert at 1800. Even my algorithm called the very bottom of Bitcoin at 19,000. Look at this. Call the very bottom at Bitcoin right at 19,000. You guys need to try this thing for free at ALGOSNIPER.com. Also recommend, look, I'm up 65% in a trade right now, that you guys trade over on BitGet, where you can claim up to a $30,000 deposit bonus. Right now, if you open up an account, they're going to give you $100 depending on how much you deposit. So you can trade cryptocurrency for free over there and build up an account from $100 for free. I'm also going to be having a crypto trading tournament, so you will need to be signed up through BitGet to be a participant of it, where you can win up to $10,000, and only my community is going to be trading, so you guys can battle it out with each other. That's going to be it for this video. If you guys get something out of this video, consider giving this video a thumbs up, subscribing, and notifications on. I'll see you later.